One of the ways that I use to make money on Clickbank on autopilot using nothing but free traffic, and I'm going to share that with you in this video. So if you have a Clickbank account, if you don't know what Clickbank is, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money using the method that I want to share with you for absolutely free. Right now, you're looking on my Google Trends, and I use this tool a lot because this tool is going to give me all the information that I need to know so I can go out there and find what product is trending, what product is selling right now, and what people are searching for. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, my name is Andre, and I talk about how to make money, affiliate marketing, and just ways to get some money in your pocket. I talk everything entrepreneurship as well. So if you like videos like that, I highly recommend you like, subscribe, become a part of this family. I've been doing this now for 3 years, full-time online. My wife and I, we do this full-time. So this is what we do. This is how we raise our son, Jackson. We're going to jump into it right now. So Google Trend, what I do, I can type in make money online. So if I type make money online, that's the first one that I look for. I check and see how is the trend. Now, if you look, so this is like from 2019. So this is from last year. Right here, it spiked in January, it dipped somewhere down in March, and it's on the rise again. And the reason for that is because everybody's home right now, and there's so many people that's been laid off as I'm shooting this video. So the trend, people are typing how to make money online, right? All these are like breakouts. But people are looking for like paid surveys. There's like glitch, there's ebook building. And if I type in work from home, you're gonna see the difference between the search work from home. It's gonna be huge. All right, do you see that? So the blue one is make money online, and the red one is work from home. People want to work from home. Make money online, work from home, they're in the same type of categories. So over the last 12 months, you can see there's a trend right here. January, it goes whoops. It just went on a spike, and it's still on the rise because people are still searching, right? They're looking for ways just to make sure that they can, make some money. Look at that. So the word that they're looking for right now is coronavirus, work from home. So everybody's typing coronavirus, work from home, coronavirus, work from home, because that's what's going on at this minute. Now, how we're going to be doing is there's going to be products that people are going to be searching for. There's going to be a lot of people that want to start their business. Most people have money right now, and some people were saying, well, people don't have jobs. Listen, business online is booming because people realize that this is the time for you either make a change or you don't. And people would rather try to do something else online because look, there's meetings going online, there's schools going online, there's awards going on online. Everybody's online these days. So that's the trend. And people are realizing that, okay, this is something that I want to do. So this is the keyword that I've been searching for. And I'm going to show you how to make some free money from Clickbank is on autopilot. We're going to go over to Clickbank, and if you don't have a Clickbank account, sign up for it. And we're going to find a product that we need to promote. So there's a lot of things that you can search for that people are looking for. So business and investing is one thing that people are looking to do right now because it's hot. Business e-marketing, there's affiliate marketing, there's blog, there's classified, there's copywriting, there's domain, there's email marketing, general marketplace, niche market, paid surveys. It all depends. So paid surveys is one of them that people are searching for. So right here, as you can see, the gravity score, this is on a rise. Likewise down here, people are looking for paid surveys. But that's not the only thing because there's affiliate marketing products. So you can go with affiliate marketing. That's hot. That's always trending. It doesn't matter what's going on. It's good. So we can go search for gravity score. We search for gravity score. This is booming at the minute. 12-minute affiliate, still hot. Clickbank University, still hot. Commission Hero is on the rise. Free traffic flood your site with free traffic. Super affiliate John Christiani, still going strong. All right, so these are some of the products that you can look for. Now, as I mentioned before, people want to try to find a way how to make money. You can come into the employment section as well. All right, employment, gravity score, earn money from photos. All right, ain't nobody going outside, but still good. So you can check like the gravity score. Not so much going on in this section. So that's why I always go with, e-business, e-marketing. So in the gravity score, 12-minute affiliate, you can promote that, not a problem. Get paid to use Facebook. Now this seems cool. Get paid to use Facebook and Twitter. Now I would promote this. So the initial sale is 22 bucks. So what you do is come over here, you grab your link, and then when we grab our link, then we're going to go over to Bitly. So you just go to Bitly, create a link, and I'm going to show you how to get some free traffic. Now, you create the link is already created, but we also want to see, how this thing is going. So take a look at it. Look at it, see what it's like. Get paid social job, right? That's Annie, work from home. So this is good. All right. You can tell this thing is going because as you can look, the page looks good. This single mom makes over 700 bucks every single week. All right. You can listen to the video. That's Annie right there. All right. All these people, testimonials and all that. All right. So the page looks good. So you're getting paid to be on Facebook and Twitter. And that's pretty dope. So you can go through the funnel, put your name in and everything, no problem. So once you do that, right, we already created the link. You go and look at it, see if it's something that you want to promote, as always. If it's something that you would buy, promote it. So I would just copy this link right here. And now what we're going to be doing is we need to get a ton of people right in front of it. Now, the place that you can go is you can go over to freeadforum.com. And this still works. There's so many people who say, well, I've tried this and it didn't work. This thing is booming. Listen, everybody's on the internet right now. Everybody's looking. So they're looking for opportunities. So you can post this in the work from home. You can put it in the business opportunities, right? You can put it in general if you want. You can put it in affiliate marketing if you want. You can put in start your own business, right? You can even put it in health and beauty. Put it in some niche that is not, people overlook. Like jobs, you can put it some in the job section. Real estate, well, no. Services, yeah, you can put it down in the services. Community, definitely classes, tutoring, all that. So you want to post some ads on here, right? Just create an account. It's absolutely free. And if you look right here, you see people already advertising. Quarantine. Learn how my students and I are making $1,000 per month despite the pandemic. Anybody sees this is going to click on it. So these are the eye-catchy thing that you want to do. And remember what we search for. We search on Google coronavirus work from home. So that's what we're going to be putting as the title, right? Coronavirus work from home, right? That's what you got to do because that is very catchy. You can, again, put it in the business opportunity work from home. We can put it in the work from home. Now, the next thing we're going to be doing is to get eye-catching description so it can work. So remember, we found this, make money online, all right? We realized that coronavirus is the top thing. Now we're gonna head on over to Google and we're gonna type in coronavirus work from home. So I'm doing this with you so you could see. Now, once you type it in, you always want to look for some ads, look for some headlines, look for things that people are searching for. If it's already there, it's already proven, no need to worry about anything. All you have to do is just go over here, just copy something, and then you could just go pay. What if the coronavirus makes you work from home? People have debated the merits of working remotely. Now it's the time, right? Like this. I would just copy this right here. It looks good. Why not? I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna put that right here. All right. And then I would say this is something you can start today. Learn more here. There we go. All right. So learn more here. Then what we're going to do is we're going to grab that affiliate link from the bit.ly, head back over here. I'm going to paste that link right there. All right. There it is. I'm going to paste it. You can do this if you want. Not a problem. You can highlight this if you want. All right. So the link is there. All right. Link is there and everything. Now, price. What's the price? Where is the price? So here's the price right here. So this is the price. The price is 22 bucks, right? You don't have to put $22 if you don't want, if you want to get more traffic. If you want to, hey, sure, go for it. All right. If that's something that you want to do or you want to leave zero, not a problem. Get more traffic. You know, the more traffic that goes in, people could see it and then they offer. And then you could choose whatever country. You can go with United States. You can go with Um, you can go with United Kingdom. You can go with Canada. You can go with Australia. Find locations, put in the address, right? Put all the city that you want. There's a YouTube video. Well, you don't necessarily don't have to put it, right? So you can go through here, and then you could just publish if you want to do it for like 20 bucks. You can do it for 20 bucks. If you want to do it for free, I don't want any extra exposure for the ad right now. I just want to do it for free. You could do it for free. So these people that pay for it, they're getting more in front of the people. If you go for free, that's free traffic. You're still going to get people, but not when these guys, like as I told you before, like this right here. This is a paid ad, right? So somebody paid for it to just put it out there so someone can just click on it every single time, because people go on these ads religiously just to go find stuff to do. Whether people are going to sell their car, they're going to buy their car, buy a car, they're going to sell boat, furniture, anything, right? And they go on here to try to find work from home jobs. So that's how you can make some free money and some free traffic just by promoting stuff on here on Clickbank. So hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Go out there and go crush it right now. Just go and dominate the space. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.